for me, my heart can't take this agony. I fell in love with you, but damn bitch, you were using me. And we were 17 when we fell for this foolery. And now it's hurting me, and now it's hurting me. Baby, I'm alone. I fell in love with you, but now I am on my own. I roll my weed, baby.
Yo, what's good, y'all? My name is Vic, and as y'all can see by the title, we're going to prom. I'm gonna show y'all today what I'm doing to get ready for prom. It's currently the 25th. We got prom on the 27th on Saturday. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing today. Getting ready for prom. I gotta do a few things. Video. I'm gonna show y'all like the fit of the day. You feel me? And then okay, so for the jeans, I just got some Caprice denims. They look pretty crazy. They got rhinestones and everything on them. And for the shoes, I got Rick Owens, as y'all can see. Jumbo laces, high tops. I should've got a low tops, low key, but fuck it, we ball. For the sweatshirt, I just got my brand sweatshirt, Prospera. It's low key clean. It's tough, but it's on calm shit for real, for real. And then for my jewelry, I got the brands Prospera chain with the tennis, and then right here, this one's my initials. It got a lot of detail, low-key, but it got my graduating year and then my initials JM. Alright, but the first thing we doing today is I just got my shipments for extra larges, double XLs, and triple XLs. So I'm finna take them to my storage, and I might update y'all when we get there. Got down and hit the fucking weight room. Anyways, I just brought in these extra large, double XL, triple XL sizes. So I'm finna unpack these and ship out some orders for the XL, triple XL, double XL type shit for the big boys. But you know what I'm saying, big dog shit militia. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, this is like the first thing I'm doing today, and then I'm gonna do more shit for prom since this is a video. But yeah, finna keep y'all entertained and shit, you know what I'm saying? I need to hit the motherfucking weight room because I'm weak as fuck. Out the orders, and y'all gonna watch me in the process. We got the big boy sizes now. Hold on. XXL. Hey, wait, no. XXXL. We got the big boy sizes. Fuck they talking about. Prosperity ain't for everyone. Fuck they talking about. Prosperity ain't for everyone. I ain't gonna lie, this room is not as clean as it normally is. So we about to turn my TV on. Look, he got like a clean ass storage room. Let me know if anybody else in the storage room can fuck with me. I mean, it ain't the best in the eyes, you feel me? But like, it definitely up there for sure, for sure. It's just hot as a bitch in here for real. What's good, YouTube? I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired as fuck right now. It's 5:47 in the morning. I gotta take my girl to her hair appointment for prom today. But well, I'm wearing what's it called shit. And I have Balenciagas on. Fuck. And then I got my area manual. Oh no, I just really got some calm shit on. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. Alright, as y'all can see, it ain't even fucking bright outside. It's early as fuck, but like I said, I'm about to take my girl to her hair appointment. I had some shit planned, but I don't even know if my boy awake. And I need to get my jewelry clean for real. And I was gonna go to the jewelry store, but they don't open till like 10. And then my boy was gonna help me clean at his crib, but the motherfucker just posted on his story 2 hours ago. So we flaking, bro. I'm in this breakfast place and shit. I'm finna show y'all my food. But, But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all when I get in my car and shit. Alright, what's good, y'all? So I just got back in the fucking V from eating, but yeah, my bad. That shit was just hella awkward talking to y'all in front of everyone when I was at a table by myself. I might start filming when I get dressed, or I might do something beforehand, but I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all see by the next clip. I appreciate y'all and shit, you know what I'm saying?
And we were 17 when we fell for this foolery, and now it's hurting me, and now it's hurting me. Baby, I'm alone. I fell in love with you, but now I am on my own. I roll my weed, baby, this shit is my antidote. She is the devil, the way that she gripping on my soul.
I have a question
Sure.
about one of them
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah, sure. Yes, sir.
Could I look at that, like, what the pockets are in there?
Sure.
Back left?
Yeah. Basically, you can use this as the sling part,
Oh,
you know,
okay.
and then this could. Mm-hmm.
I like the wallet for sure. How much is the wallet?
Let's look. $450 on that one. Yeah.
Ain't bad at all.
Mm-mm. I mean, that's got the facing part, you know.
Yeah. See, I feel okay. So do you know what Go-Yard is, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
You know how Go-Yard has like them like
Yep.
smaller bags.
Yep.
I just want to match the shoes.
I know.
I might be able to find some.
Color are they?
But
Okay, yeah, right. So you didn't like this one as much? Did you try that on?
I didn't. I think the strap is in here.
Yeah, I'll open
And
it
I don't
up.
want to put it on because like if I don't like it, I don't want to waste your time.
Good.
This is adjustable, right?
Oh yeah, I'll show you.
Alright,
Do you want me to make it longer or
Longer,
shorter?
yeah.
Longer, okay. Because this has this part too.
Yeah.
You know.
Uh-huh.
Okay, longer. So that would go with the shoes, I think. But it's a soft leather, and then the strap is cool too.
Mhm.
So.
How long have you been working here for?
I've been here. Well, I started on the Plaza, so going on 18 years.
Oh really?
But
Dang.
yeah.
I never knew this store was up here.
Oh, yeah.
My buddy, he does dog breeding.
Oh, I know who you're talking about.
Okay.
Wait.
Daquan, I think is his real name.
Yeah, I think so.
But yeah, no, I just invested money into the dog breeding business.
Yeah, it's consistent business.
Yeah, it is.
Hi.
Oh, is it?
I think. So it's more women's,
Yeah.
really. I just was seeing if they had.
Yeah.
No,
you
it's
guys
more-
don't have Go-Yard here, do you?
No, we don't.
This is pretty cool though. For
Yeah,
I've
it
never seen
is.
something like
I
that.
know. More structured. So yeah, with the feed on it.
How much is that?
Let's look. They're usually more. Yeah. Women's are always more than men's.
Really?
Always.
That's because the guys are buying it, bro.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh yeah, I'm down to get that.
Okay. You want to get this one?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm gonna ring you up here. Is that cool?
Okay, this-
And then do you need parking?
I do.
Okay.
He just introduced me.
So
to
who
it.
is it? Do you know his name?
Here, I have my phone.
Okay, yeah. There's your parking.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, now this is the customer that shops here, right?
Yeah, yeah. I don't.
Oh, I recognize him.
I don't know his cousin's name or anything.
I recognize this guy, but I don't know who his cousin is. Is it Lawrence?
Lawrence. That sounds.
Oh
familiar.
yeah, he's off today.
Yeah, it sounds familiar.
I think you're right. Create a profile for you.
I did. It's a number.
Oh, the phone number. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so 6. Yeah, Jacob. Right.
Mhm.
Thanks. Fine.
Yeah. Thank
So
you.
do you guys have? Okay. Right.
Yeah, we're actually taking pictures at 1, so
Oh, you are today.
her
Okay,
hair
cool.
and makeup.
It's doing right now.
Yeah,
Right.
it's been 4 hours. I woke up at 6.
Oh my
Or
God.
no, 5:30.
I hope you got good sleep last night.
I
Did you go
did.
to bed early?
I did.
Oh my God. Well, you're going to be running on adrenaline then, right?
Hopefully.
Okay. So where are you going to school? Do you know yet?
I'm not going to school.
Oh, you're not?
So
Okay.
I own a super successful business
Do you have
inside the
a pen?
online. Yeah.
Oh, that's what you were saying.
Yeah, and then I found out about the dude I showed you off of my jeweler. I got a lot of jewelry. I ain't
So
gonna
you're
lie.
smart.
I'm pretty smart inside the game. But like, I ain't gonna lie.
You-
Every day smart, I'm not that smart.
But you're mature for your age.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
business
that's it.
sense. You have
Oh
a good
yeah, for
business
sure.
sense. Yeah, like more entrepreneurial, and you're not afraid to take risks.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I just invested
Yeah.
like I ain't even lie.
That's the new
6
generation.
figures into
That's the
dogs.
new generation.
Yeah.
which is awesome. So they'll help you. It'll help the economy.
Yeah,
it'll
exactly.
help people like me.
Uh-huh.
All right, have fun. Most
I will.
importantly, right?
I will.
You will. Good luck with the picture.
This is my first prom ever. And it's my senior year.
They're the fun. They're the funnest. Your first one's the funnest. So.
Okay,
Oh, well, let me put this in here. Okay, you're good to go.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you.
I
All right.
appreciate you
Yeah,
a lot.
likewise. Come back and see us.
I will. You're copped. Oh yeah, so we just bought the motherfucking red bottom crossbody bag. You feel me? Now I'm finna go pick up my girl from her hair appointment. And then, you know what I'm saying, the day of prom starts after this shit. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna bring y'all everything. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. I bet. So we just pulled up to this place, Unity Village. Gotta take some place here and shit. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. I'm definitely the best dressed out here. You feel me? What type of shit?
We out here. My boys, they get ready for prom. Ain't fly. You already know what it is. Black forces, tucks on, fly, red bottoms on, ice on, Balenciaga glasses. We about to turn it up.
Damn bitch, you were using me. And we were 17 when we fell for this foolery. And now it's hurting me. What you want from me? My heart can't take this agony. I fell in love with you, but damn bitch, you were using me.
So cutesy. Eating. Say hi to Jacob's vlog.
So hi to Jacob's what?
His vlog. Look, I'm recording. Do you have anything to say?
No. I hope they have a good time.
You want to give us a fit check?
I'm not into all that.
Okay. You want to say this is Jacob's vlog? Oh my gosh.
Wait, we're on Jacob's vlog.
Right now? Yeah, it's good.
Okay, hi. Hey.
I bet. So let's see who the best dressed is.
Okay, bro.
Black Air Forces, no socks.
Okay. I'm gonna show the hair.
Black pants. Like the little bling right here.
Yeah.
Feel me? I'm definitely way better dressed than him though.
Give us a
Forgot
fit
about
check.
that.
Give
Okay,
us
so
a
I
fit
got
check.
the red bottom Louis Vuitton bag.
It's not Louis Vuitton.
Yes, it is.
It's Christian Louis Vuitton.
I get in the vlog.
It's Jacob's vlog.
You were using me, and we were 17 when we fell for this foolery.
So we just took
And now
pictures.
it's
Now we
hurting
gotta go
me,
to the club.
and now it's hurting me. Baby, I'm alone. I fell in love with you, but now I am on my own.
Type shit.
I'm a lame ass.
Type shit. Ugly ass bitch. I was stripping for.
Yeah. Hey, nigga, so look, I own all this shit. You know, I'm just having people out here just take pictures on my property. I live in that house right there. My room's at the top.
Pretty
type
mafia
shit.
bosses.
You know, type shit.
What's good, y'all? So we better pull up. We just pulled up to the Jack Stacks. Better go inside and eat some good ass food. And let me know who the best dressed there is. Should better be me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jacob McBride and Dana Martinez. Ladies and gentlemen, Carter Walby and Mary.
We just pulled up to prom, but I'm gonna show y'all the process of going in and shit. And this shit probably gonna be lame as fuck, but you know.
No way.
Alright, boys, so I just got home. I took a shower. It's fucking raining outside. So fucked up my red bottoms and shit, but this was it for the video. Like I say every video, I'm gonna keep dropping harder and harder shit. I'm going to Vegas next month, so I'm gonna have a lot of content able to do there. But just let me know what y'all thought about this video in the comments. Let me know who's the best dressed, you know what I'm saying. If I ain't in there, bro, it's fucked up. But yeah, I appreciate y'all, you know, like and subscribe, please. Comment suggestions you got, who was best dressed. Appreciate y'all.
I can't take this agony. I fell in love with you, but damn bitch, you were using me. And we were 17 when we fell for it.